Hartlaub's Turaco, scientifically referred to as Turaco hartlauba, is a striking avian species endemic to the dense forests and woodlands of Central Africa. Named in honor of the renowned German ornithologist Gustav Hartlaub, this bird showcases a mesmerizing combination of colors and features. Its plumage boasts vibrant shades of green, complemented by intricate patterns and accents of crimson on its wings and tail. With a distinctive crest atop its head and bold facial markings, including bright red eye rings, Hartlaub's Turaco possesses a regal appearance. Known for its melodious calls that echo through the forest canopy, it adds a touch of magic to its habitat. Feeding primarily on fruits, berries, and foliage, this species plays a crucial role in seed dispersal and ecosystem balance. Encountering Hartlaub's Turaco in the wild is a memorable experience, offering a glimpse into the rich biodiversity of Central African forests and the beauty of its avian inhabitants.